I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame, though it might be nice to own a jet.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. If you like car repair content, or you like the idea of following what I get up to with my Project ZXs, please consider subscribing as it helps the channel grow. If you do subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell icon so you get notified of all the future uploads when I upload the next video and stuff. So what's the plan for today? Well, a couple of days ago I attempted to refit the sound deadening into the blue ZX, and as it's 25 years old, that didn't go to plan. So I scrapped that video and thought, you know what, I need to bin that. That went out with a bin men. That's completely gone. That's no longer in my ownership. So I got an email this morning from Hermes saying your courier is out delivering a parcel today. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I will be receiving the brand new sound deadening that I ordered a few days ago today in time to do this video. Now, whether I do receive it today in time to do this video is irrelevant, because I will just use this recording to kind of do this video anyway. But so whether I receive it in the next half hour or whether I receive it at 8 o'clock tonight, doesn't matter, because it's still going to be this video that I install it on. But before I blab on too much and bore you guys to death, I will insert a clip now of the reasons and what the old sound deadening looks like when I attempted to install it. So I'll put that clip in now and then I'll come back to you guys. So guys, this is the sound deadening, and let's just say it's well past its best, and it has been an absolute nightmare to try and get it into that sort of position. As you can see, the mess on the footwell, it's breaking up constantly. It's just not, it's not playing nice at all. It's falling apart. See, that bit's just come straight off there, and it is literally just old and really past its best. This is obviously 25 years old, and that's why in this video we are going to be doing the sound deadening with basically with new stuff. So yeah, we'll get this ripped out and get started putting the new in. So we're back guys, and Hermes have delivered. So let's just get this out and then finally take this out of here as well. This is the new sound deadening. It's about what would I say? Yeah, I think it's about 8mm thick. It's sticky back, so when I cut it to size and peel that off, I'll be able to stick it down and put it like that. So what we're going to need is obviously this, and we're going to need a blade, which I don't have to hand, but I will get one, half decent Stanley blade, and obviously we'll need to be out of the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you in the back of the car on the tripod, and probably most likely put you on time lapse while I install this. So we'll go and do that now, I think. Whilst on the hunt for a blade guys, UK weather happened. Also, I have found a blade, but like I said, as you can probably hear on my shed roof, absolutely chucking it down. So fingers crossed it eases off and we can get some work done on the glue car today. If not, it'll be for another day, I'm afraid, but this will still be on this video, but it may be that I come back to you tomorrow instead of today. But oh well, we've had a good run while it lasted, and I'm sure it'll be nice again very soon. So yeah. New day, sun's out. This is the following day now. Sun's out, and we've got the tripod, we've got the sound deadening, and we've got a couple of blades as well, because we just need to cut it and fit it. So the basics of what we need to do, because we're going to get this done today, is we need to cut it to size to fit, and then literally just pull the backing off and pull this brown layer off, which is the backing, the sticky back. Stick it up, and then the old stuff had some clips, so I'm going to put the clips in as well, because the sticky back probably isn't going to last as long as the old sticky back, if the old one even had sticky back. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you on the tripod, and we'll do this on time lapse, because it's quite easy, quite self-explanatory. So I'll just put you on time lapse so we can get it done in super quick time. So bringing you off a time lapse, this is the result. Now I know it's not perfect, but I'm not perfect and nobody is in my mind. So however much they say they are perfect, no one is. So, but the thing about it is, it's going to be much better than it would be not having anything behind there. And let's just say I've decided I'm happy with it, so that's all that matters. It's going to quieten it down a bit. I have, however, I've got to clear this mess up, so I'll do that. I have got some more left over, so what I'm thinking is I'll probably do, if I've got enough, the driver's side and passenger side footwell area as well, because why not, eh? And I think I'm going to go over this bulkhead a bit as well, and just put a bit more in. So guys, I decided to finish it off off camera, as you can see, but I've literally done the passenger footwell, I've done all the bulkhead up to the handbrake, and I've done the driver's footwell as well. If I don't say myself, it actually looks quite good, I think, even though it was done by me. So that's a shocker in itself. So I'll just show you around the other side. Now on the driver's footwell area, I have put an extra piece in for obvious reasons, with being the pedals going there and extra wear and tear. It just gives it a little bit more of a cushioning effect. So I've just put one extra piece over the top there and overlapped it, so that is double thickness here but single thickness here, so that just, like I said, gives a bit more thing. So yeah, I think I'm going to leave that one here. This is pretty much warming out, but yeah. So guys, I'm going to pretty much leave this video here. A big change in the weather today as well. It's literally gone to ridiculously hot weather today with the sun beaming down. I'm sweating like crazy. And this job behind me, this sound deadening, has taken a lot longer than I would have liked it to, and it's not perfect. I'm going to put some contact adhesive on this as well, so and also when the dash is in, that will help stick it down even more. So that'll be something else I do with that. But yeah, I forgot to mention, this was a 3-meter roll, 6mm thick, and it was £25.69 on eBay. So bargain really, considering I'm actually able to put it in and hopefully have it serve a purpose, because it doesn't look great, but it looks great considering I fitted it. So next video I'll be putting some carpet in, and video after that will possibly be the dashboard wiring, but we're basically going to finish putting this inside of the car together over the next few videos, and hope you enjoy that. Basically, if you like my content, chuck us a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, because it helps the channel grow. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell icon, because that gives you updates of all my future content uploads and stuff. And if you want to know what I get up to throughout the day before it hits live on YouTube, you can head over to my Instagram page, and that is the same as YouTube, which is the ZX guy. So basically, I'm going to now say, take care guys, stay safe, I'll see you in the next video. I'm off to fix my van tyre. Bye!